Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1023 at Four Seasons Hotel Kuala Lumpur. This is the doorbell and this is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right here, makeup room and do not disturb switches together with the main light switch for the room. A mirror. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. These are just walls. You have a power outlet down there. You can see the desk with the bin. You have a drawer right here with some hotel information inside it. You have the chair for the desk. And right here you have writing materials, the in-room telephone, and a desk light. Right in here you have power outlets, USB ports, HDMI port, as well as the internet port. And you can cover it up if you do not want the ports exposed. I don't think these are drawers. Oh, they are drawers. So you have storage down here. Okay, just one drawer. Okay, so right here we have a cupboard. And inside it we have the fridge with drinks. Here we have the sugar, creamer, tea and coffee making stuff, teaspoons. Right here, chocolates and snacks. And down below we have storage, the bottle opener and some coasters and whatnot. Right here we have the coffee machine, a kettle, power outlets behind it, bottles of water, the cups and glasses are right above, and there's a mirror right there as well. Hello? Okay, so right here we have the entrance to the bathroom. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. And before we actually enter the bathroom, we have your place to put your luggage, storage below, and an open wardrobe. You have hangers right above, luggage right there, an umbrella right there, and you have storage right above. And this is the rail entrance to the bathroom. We have dual sinks. Here we have the controls for the blinds. Volume control for the speaker in the bathroom and a power outlet. We obviously have mirrors, lights, and all that stuff. And in the middle we have towels, that is lotion, soap, bar, tissues and whatnot. And below we have a bin and a weighing scale and towels for each sink. Right there we have the tub. with a pack of bath salt. And we have a view of the city right out of the bathroom window. Towel right there. And right here, we have the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have your handheld shower right there and a rain shower right above. You have a place to sit right there. Here we have towels, bathrobes, and right here we have the toilet. It is a very interesting toilet. Before I explain to you more, you have your toilet paper right there and the telephone right there. So, I'm not too sure how to use this. Right, so you can open the cover, open the seat, and change the seat temperature, turn on the water sprayer and all that stuff right here. So I believe quite fancy. Right. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, we have a sofa right there with tables, some complimentary welcome chocolates with a message. Right here we have the left bedside table with a drawer and some storage below. We have writing materials, in-room telephone, an in-room iPad where you can use it to chat to the front desk, order, I believe you can order room service through this and all that stuff. You have lights, reading lights, all your light controls, blind controls, a power outlet with a couple of USB ports, it's a bit slow, but it's automated, so yeah. Here we have the bed. This looks quite comfortable. And right there we have a flat screen Samsung TV with the TV remote, some magazines right there. And below the TV, we have the in-room safe, storage areas. I believe that would be a HDMI port or cable. And right here we have your laundry stuff and more storage. Okay, so on this bedside table you have the same drawer and storage below. And you have the light switches, power outlet and USB ports right here as well, together with the lights right above. Right here we have the climate control panel, a stool or chair, whatever you want to call it. And we actually have the same view as the bathroom from this window. You can see the pool below, as well as the road in front of the hotel. And from this view, you can see more pools, the other part of the hotel right there, and more buildings in KL. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1023 at Four Seasons Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.